Alright, Cruisin, welcome back, guys. We are here at the Abilene Annual Car Show, and it's down on Main Street. And today we're gonna have a lot of great video, guys. A lot of vehicles, a lot of cars, trucks, all kinds of classics. This is one of the largest in the Tri-Cities, and we're gonna make a day out of it, guys. So people are pulling in. I got here really early this time. I didn't really want to miss anything, but we got cars coming in. We're gonna get everything coming in. We're also gonna get an aerial view of the whole downtown, and this is downtown on the main street in Abilene, Virginia, guys. So come on, guys, for a great show today, and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna go ahead and walk the trail, guys. We're going to try to get all of these vehicles. We're not going to do a lot of one-on-one interviews today.
Hey, how you doing?
We'll come back through once we make do some individuals. Main Street. We're gonna walk up one side, come back down the next. There, right there, 53 or 54. That's like Royal Salute. It actually got a little lighter color to it.
I just know it's one my husband likes. That's what it is. Oh, look at that Shelby. Yeah.
I think Lynn's at work, but Dee should be here. Figure out.
Last week, the old school truck.
I'm late for the parade, Jerry. Huh? I'm late for the parade.
All right, guys, so we are here at the Abilene Annual Car Show. This is the first car show this year, and the guys that's putting it on are Cruisin Classics. We will be getting with the president. His name is Dickie. He's gonna tell us a little bit about this car show. So we're gonna go ahead and try to find him while we're walking around and everything. But there's a lot of nice cars out here, guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it.
No. Yeah, sorry, I said yeah, and I.
What's going on, buddy?
Right there. So I was afraid it's going to overheat on me getting in here.
And that's you in that truck. That's your little truck, buddy.
Oh, you haven't seen that one? What? Oh, I will.
I guess I can rewind it. Yeah.
Fired up.
You've been polishing since early this morning.
Water on it.
If it clouds up, we gonna see.
It's 4-speed.
All right, guys, we got a special treat here with you. We got the president of the Cruisin Classics. His name is Dickie, and I'm gonna turn the camera around, and he's gonna give you guys a little bit of what this car show is about. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Dickie Kaiser, and I'm president of our Cruisin Classics Car Club, but this is their first of 2 shows that we have per year, and this is the first year in probably 3 years that we were able to close Main Street and do it on Main Street. But all of the proceeds for this go to charitable causes. Last year we did just under $10,000 as a result of this, so that's our objective, is to
That's awesome. About how many cars you got here this year, Dickie?
probably today we've got 200, maybe a little bit over.
So when is the next car show that you guys will be doing again?
The next car show is tentatively set for July 22.
Well, we appreciate you letting us film here and let us take some drone shots and everything. We'll definitely get this up on the channel as soon as possible and share it with the YouTube community. So
Okay.
thanks a lot, Dickie.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right.
Set up inside the truck. Set up the truck. Hopefully they'll fix it to you.
Look at that.
Yeah. All right, Cruisin, this is over the floor here. Let's see what we can find down here real quick. That's for him. Aaron Taylor car here. How y'all doing? Doing great. Mom fishing it. All right, guys, we've been out here all evening. There's a lot of vehicles out here. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the videos, man. I tell you, I've been running into a lot of new cars, a lot of good people, man. That's one thing about these car shows, that they're awesome people to be around. You learn a lot from a lot of other car builders. There go Brooks. That's the band right here, Brooks. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today, man. We had a lot of cars. Hope you guys enjoyed that aerial shot. We got the privilege of letting the president speak a little bit on camera. His name is Dickie with Cruisin Classics. So learned a lot about how many cars is out here and how much money they actually fundraise, and they're all for good causes. So like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.